Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cowley County, Sedgwick County, southwestern Butler County, northeastern Sumner County, until 3:15 a.m. At 2:41 a.m., severe thunderstorms extended from Bentley to near Wellington, moving east at 50 miles per hour. You can expect 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wichita, Derby, Winfield, Andover, Hayesville, Wellington, Park City, Valley Center, Bel Air, Mulvane, Goddard, Rose Hill, Mays, Clearwater, Douglas, Sedgwick, Belle Plaine,